All right, so let's continue from our setting file. So I've added some more details to our setting file. So currently I only have a project name as well, but I've added a config to make it case sensitive. Um, I've also added environment file location. So anytime we run this and then we want to locate the dot environment file, any other parameter that we are keeping, we will keep it in our environment env. Then I've added some caching to it to just cache these class parameters, and then added a setter to it so that a setter or a getter to it. I mean a getter to it, so that I can quickly get it anytime I need it with this get settings function, as you can see here. Finally, let's go and then make use of this in our hello world. So with fast API, right, you can pass a lot of parameter into it. I think when I do this, you should see inside this, you can pass a lot of parameter. One of them is title, and then the title, I think it's like this, is equal to our setting. Before that, we need to import settings. So from app.util, import setting settings. Hope this work. Good. From app.util import setting. Class unknown. I think we did not save this. Let's save this. Okay. Okay. Yes, I think we have one more thing to add from app.util.config. I think this should work. Okay. Yes, so we have an error here. So we need to go and then fix it. I'll be back with the fix.